Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're back with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications so you don't miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Gain valuable insights and free price predictions for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.73. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. TQQQ has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 32.59% since we first recommended buying it 41 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has generated a daily return of 0.79% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 49.97% change over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 35.63% to 63.23%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 102.95% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 50.09% to 118.66%. This implies a price range of $72.24 to $105.24 after 1 year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF reveals a significant drop of -5.07% on Tuesday, closing at $48.13. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the TQQQ ETF price fell from $50.70 to $48.13, marking a decrease of -5.07%. This decline extends the downward trend for the third consecutive day. Throughout the day, the ETF's price fluctuated by 4.58%, ranging from a low of $47.27 to a high of $49.43. Although the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains down by -2.25% during this period. Notably, volume has increased by 21 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $4.20 billion worth of shares, equivalent to 87 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $52.01, while the lowest was $16.10. Currently, the price is 7.46% lower than the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $3.88. Furthermore, it is significantly lower by 74.79% or $142.75 compared to the all-time high on January 8, 2021. On that day, the price reached $190.88. Let's take a look at the signals for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has a sell signal from the short-term moving average, but there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a general buy signal. If the ETF continues to gain, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $50.51. However, if it falls, there is support from the long-term average at approximately $46.07. A break above the short-term average will signal a buy, while a break below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development of the ETF. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -6.62% so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign that should be monitored closely. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that can help you make informed investment decisions. One signal to watch out for is the moving average convergence divergence, which suggests a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger signal, on the other hand, provided a buy signal 9 days ago. Taking a look at short-term moving averages, we can see a sell signal 2 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average gave a buy signal 42 days ago. Additionally, analyzing the relationship between short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 38 days ago. Now, let's switch gears and examine the 12-month chart for further insights. In this time frame, the short moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 36 days ago. Furthermore, analyzing the relationship between short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 26 days ago. For more signals and in-depth analysis, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's talk about the support levels for TQQQ. Currently, the ETF has support just below today's level at $44.40 and $44.24. When an ETF is testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level, which in this case is at $44.40 and $37.35 based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that TQQQ is considered a high-risk ETF due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. In the last day, TQQQ had a price movement of $2.17 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 4.58%. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 2.42%. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $48.54. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, consider this level for swing trading opportunities. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $45.80, which represents a decrease of 4.84%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily fluctuations, making it a high-risk investment. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 3 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? While TQQQ does have some positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. It would be more appropriate to consider holding or accumulating this position while waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate TQQQ to open up $0.145 and begin trading at $48.28. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Feel free to comment below and share your insights. And what is your target for the ETF? We value your opinion. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our community.